Have you ever heard of a silent epidemic that's affecting millions, maybe even you or someone you love? It's called fatty liver disease, and it's when your liver starts storing excess fat, which can lead to serious health issues down the line. But here's the thing, it's often happening without any obvious symptoms. The food we eat, especially all the sugar and processed stuff, is a major culprit. When we eat too much of it, our liver gets overwhelmed. It tries to protect our body by converting that excess sugar into fat and storing it. But over time, this protective measure backfires, and the liver itself becomes clogged with fat. The amazing news is that your liver is a superhero. It's the only organ in your body that can completely regenerate itself. And you can kickstart that healing process simply by changing what you eat. Certain foods contain powerful nutrients that help your liver detoxify, repair, and get back to its healthy, lean state. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 foods that are absolute game changers for reversing fatty liver. These aren't some weird, hard-to-find ingredients. They are everyday foods that you can easily add to your diet starting today. Think of this as giving your liver the tools it needs to rebuild itself from the inside out. Are you ready to give your liver the love it deserves? Let's dive in. First on our list is garlic. Now, don't underestimate this small but mighty bulb. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which are fantastic for your liver. Think of it as a tiny janitor for your liver cells. It helps activate enzymes that flush out toxins and has been shown in studies to help reduce body weight and fat mass, which directly benefits a fatty liver. You don't need to eat whole cloves either. Just adding 1 or 2 crushed cloves to your meals daily can make a real difference. You can chop it up and add it to your stir-fries, soups, or even mix it into your salad dressings. It's an easy and flavorful way to start the detoxification process. Next up, let's talk about green tea. If you're looking for a soothing, healthy beverage, this is it. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins. These antioxidants are like bodyguards for your liver cells, protecting them from damage and inflammation. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can help reduce liver fat and improve liver function markers. Swapping out your sugary sodas or juices for a cup or 2 of green tea each day is a simple yet incredibly effective change. You can enjoy it hot or iced. Just be sure to brew it yourself to avoid the added sugars often found in bottled green teas. Our third superstar food is oats. A warm bowl of oatmeal for breakfast is more than just comfort food, it's medicine for your liver. Oats are rich in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucans. This fiber works wonders by helping to lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the liver. It also helps you feel full longer, which can prevent overeating and support weight loss, a key factor in managing fatty liver. To make it even better, top your oatmeal with some berries and a sprinkle of nuts instead of sugar or honey. This simple breakfast can set your liver up for a successful, healing day. Coming in at number 4, we have avocados. I know, everyone loves avocados, and for good reason. They are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are the good kind of fats your body needs. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol and decrease liver inflammation. But that's not all. Avocados are also a great source of a powerful antioxidant called glutathione. Your body uses glutathione for detoxification, and having more of it helps your liver get rid of harmful toxins more efficiently. So, adding half an avocado to your salad, toast, or smoothie is a delicious way to support your liver's natural repair process. And finally, number 5, leafy greens. I'm talking about spinach, kale, arugula, and all their green cousins. These vegetables are nutritional powerhouses. They are rich in chlorophyll, which can help neutralize heavy metals and chemicals, basically helping your liver do its job of filtering your blood. They are also packed with fiber and nutrients that reduce inflammation and promote overall health. The best part is how versatile they are. You can toss them into a salad, blend them into a smoothie, sauté them as a side dish, or even add them to your omelets. Aim for at least 1 big handful of leafy greens every single day. So, how do you easily incorporate all these amazing foods into your daily routine? It's simpler than you think. For breakfast, start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with a few walnuts. For lunch, have a large salad filled with spinach and arugula, topped with grilled chicken and half an avocado. For dinner, you could have a simple stir-fry with lots of veggies and lean protein, seasoned with plenty of fresh garlic. And throughout the day, sip on a couple of cups of green tea instead of sugary drinks. It's about making small, consistent swaps that add up over time. Of course, to see real results, you also need to know what to avoid. The biggest enemies of your liver are sugar, especially in sweetened drinks and processed snacks, fried foods, which are full of unhealthy fats that promote inflammation, and excessive alcohol, which is directly toxic to liver cells. Cutting back on these is just as important as adding in the good stuff. Think of it as a 2-pronged approach, removing the things that harm your liver while adding the things that help it heal. Here, essay bonus tip to accelerate your results: start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It helps stimulate the liver and aids in digestion. Also, try adding turmeric to your cooking. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that has been shown to protect the liver from injury. A little bit of turmeric in your curries, soups, or even a golden milk latte can give your liver an extra boost. So, what can you expect if you stick with these changes? You won't have to wait a year to see progress. Within just 3 to 4 weeks of consistently eating these liver-friendly foods and avoiding the harmful ones, you'll likely start to feel a difference. You might notice you have more energy, less bloating, and better digestion. Your skin might look clearer, and you might even start to lose some weight around your midsection. These are all signs that your liver is starting to heal and function more efficiently. It's incredibly motivating to feel these positive changes, and it will encourage you to keep going. In the end, reversing fatty liver disease is all about consistency and making smarter food choices. Your liver has an incredible ability to heal itself, but it needs your help. By fueling your body with these 5 amazing foods and steering clear of the junk, you are giving your liver the best possible chance to regenerate and thrive. You have the power to take control of your health, one meal at a time. It's not about a restrictive diet, it's about creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that you can enjoy. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel empowered to make some positive changes for your liver health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos on living a healthier life. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Stay healthy, and see you in the next one.